So every year, 4.7 million people in the United States are bitten by a dog, and so this is a major public health concern that we worry about. Children, especially boys age 5 to 9, are at greatest risk of bite wounds, and this is probably because of their size and proximity to their dogs, because they make loud noises and rapid movements, and because they sometimes unintentionally will provoke those dogs and don't necessarily recognize the signs of aggression before they happen. Dogs and cats naturally have a mixture of both aerobic and anaerobic bacteria in their mouths that can be spread through bite wounds. Cats have especially small teeth, and that causes an injection of bacteria deep into the skin or the wound of their victim. That bacteria then can be very hard to flush and clean out, and so it's more likely to cause an infection, and that's why we talk about cats and cat bites causing severe infections in people. Some of the bacteria that we worry about the most that cause infections are Pasteurella, Captocytophaga, Bacteroides, and Fusobacterium. Bacteria can also cause a problem from the skin of the victim during a bite wound, and this is where Staphylococcus aureus lives most commonly in people. We also worry about the potential spread of rabies, a virus, from all animals to people through bite wounds. The first thing that we want to do is to wash that wound very, very well with soap and water. The next thing that we want to do is to call our family physician. Dog and cat bites that are infected the most are those that are on the hands, the face, and those who wait more than 8 hours to seek medical attention. The first thing we want to do is to be smart and to teach our children to be smart and to be careful around dogs. We never want to approach a strange dog, and if a strange dog approaches us, we always teach children to stand still like a tree, or if they're already down on the ground, to curl up like a rock. Standing still or curling up like a rock will help to encourage that dog to walk away, whereas waving your arms and making noise or running away may encourage that dog to follow you or to be more aggressive. Other things that we can do to minimize the risk of a bite wound are to spay and neuter our dogs, to socialize them and train them well, and to always keep them on a leash when they're outside in public. If you want more information about bite wound prevention, you can go to the American Veterinary Medical Association website.